Hi guys, today we talking about the bird called African pygmy falcon. First we get a key features.
Uses the nest of bird called weavers to roost and breed. Second point, rapid and agile. In flight, it darts through the air with short, quick bursts of speed. Next point, female easily distinguished from the male by her deep chestnut back. Next point, small raptor with powerful talons and a hooked beak for hunting prey.
Now we find where are they in the world.
Found exclusively in eastern and southern Africa, parts of Ethiopia, Somalia, Uganda, Kenya, Tanzania, Angola, Transvaal, Botswana, Namibia, and South Africa.
Life cycle. Unlike other birds of prey that build a large solitary nest, the African pygmy falcon lives alongside a friendly host, the sociable weaver, and adopts a chamber in the weaver's nest. Habitat. The African pygmy falcon lives in two distinct and widely separated populations in Africa. One in the southern western part of the continent and the other in the northeast. In either part of the continent, the pygmy falcon inhabits the arid and semi-arid savanna and scrubland, which features sparse ground cover and scattered large trees dotting the landscape. The African pygmy falcon typically avoids open forests and forest edges. The falcon also frequents the huge nest of weavers, especially the sociable weaver, Piloterius socius, sharing its rooting and nesting site. The pygmy falcon occasionally shares the nest of the white-headed buffalo weaver and those of the sparrow weaver. Now we're going to say about unwanted house guest. The first one is flying.
A female pygmy falcon flies toward a large nest colony of sociable weavers that the falcon exploits for its own use.
Number 2, hanging.
The entrance is located at the bottom of the nest colony. The falcon hangs upside down in order to enter the nest chamber.
Food and hunting.
The African pygmy falcon mostly feeds on insects and lizards, though occasionally rodents and small birds are consumed. In spite of its small size, the African pygmy falcon is a voracious predator like birds of prey. Perching from a tall tree, the pygmy falcon watches the ground below for movement from a potential meal. Once its victim is sighted, the pygmy falcon quickly dives to the ground, snatching its victim in its talons and taking it back to the perch to be eaten. Like all falcons, the African pygmy falcon regurgitates 1 to 1/2 pellets daily, which contain all the indigestible food fragments such as fur and bones. Courtship begins in the summer and includes the male feeding his mate. The female performs exaggerated tail wagging displays. No nest is built. Instead, the pair moves into a chamber in the nest colony of sociable weavers, which is comprised of a huge haystack structure built into a tree and contains chamber of up to 50 active weaver nests. Each chamber is enclosed and is reached from below through a narrow vertical tunnel. The falcon pair evicts half pairs of weavers from their nest. Then the female lays from 2 to 4 eggs. While both pairs incubate for about 30 days, the female's share of the task is larger. The male provides his mate and the later chicks with food. The chicks are helpless at birth but fledge in 28 to 30 days. They remain with their parents for 1 to 2 months after fledging before becoming completely intimate. Tasty meal of him. A male African pygmy falcon feeds upon a large lizard in the savanna. Then we see the unwanted house guest among these birds of feeding and hunting. Third one is striking.
The pygmy falcon strikes and kills a sociable weaver chick. This is uncommon but necessary when food is scarce.
Fourth one, feeding.
The pygmy falcon brings the dead weaver chick back to its nest chamber to feed it to its own young, hungry family.
Then we see the behavior of this bird.
African pygmy falcons are diurnal with activity peaks in the early morning and late afternoon. They usually roost during the hotter parts of the day. These falcons are rapid and agile in flight, darting through the air in quick bursts similar to those of a woodpecker. Because of their small size, African pygmy falcons are able to share the nest colony of sociable weavers. These huge nests provide a safe, weatherproof environment for the falcons. The falcons do not bother the weavers beyond the eviction of 1 to 2 pairs and occasionally killing a chick when other food is scarce. While the falcon pairs enjoy the benefits of the weaver's work, the weavers gain a pair of bodyguards to protect them from snakes such as cobras that prey upon the nest chambers. The sociable weavers happily continue to add and maintain the nest in spite of having an uninvited roommate.
The special feature of this bird is about the morning chill. It keeps warm when chilly. The falcon fluffs its feathers.
Conservation.
The African pygmy falcon is a fairly common resident throughout its range and is not currently endangered. It is listed in Appendix 2 of Convention in International Trade in Endangered Species, which stands for CITES, which regulates the import and export of animals for the pet trade, since its range is dependent upon weavers for nesting. The pygmy falcon has a very limited distribution. Due to its small size, it falls victim to predators, including larger birds of prey found in the same habitat.
This is the profile of American pygmy falcon. Despite its small size, the pygmy falcon is a bold predator armed with sharp talons and a strong hooked beak for catching and killing its prey. Male bird.
The male is easily distinguished from the female by his full grey back, but has a similar white front and face. Like the female, the male has a barred tail and black flight feathers with white spots.
Female bird.
The female pygmy falcon is mainly grey above and white below, including the forehead and face. She has a white neck ring and a rich deep chestnut back.
Eyes.
Large eyes provides the acute vision for capturing small prey on the open savanna. The fovea, a depression in the retina, serves to magnify images.
Bill.
Like all birds of prey, the falcon's bill is sharp and hooked for tearing flesh. At the base of the bill is an area of bare skin called the cere. The skin protects the nostrils while the bird is feeding.
Feet.
Strong toes with sharp, curved talons are used as weapons when hunting. 3 toes faced forward while the hind toe, known as hallux, is backward, allowing the falcon to firmly grip and crush its prey.
Tail.
The long, broad tail aids in steering when the falcon dives for prey. It also acts as a brake when landing.
Let us see the vital statistics. Weight 2 to 3.5 ounce. Length 7 to 8 inches. Wingspan 12 to 14.4 inches. Sexual maturity unknown. Breeding season summer. Number of eggs 2 to 4, usually 3. Incubation period 28 to 30 days. Fletching period 27 to 40 days. Breeding interval 1 year. Typical diet mostly insects and lizards, also rodents and small birds. Lifespan is unknown. Related species.
The African pygmy falcon is one of 2 species in the genus Polyhyrex. The other is a white-rumped falcon, P. insignis. The family Falconidae contains 64 species in 10 genera of falcons: Falconots, Kestrels, Caracaras, and Hobbeis. Close relatives of the African pygmy falcon include the crested caracara, Caracara plancus, the peregrine falcon, Falco peregrinus, and the brown falcon, F. berigora.
These are the special tips of this bird.
First point, unlike other falcons, the eggs of the pygmy falcon are pure white, consistent with many birds that lay eggs in concealed nests. Second point, the pygmy falcon's range is dictated by that of a sociable weaver. It even avoids otherwise suitable savanna habitat that is devoid of weaver nests. Third point, in the Kalahari region of Africa, pygmy falcons occupy about 1 out of every 4 sociable weaver colonies. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe, like and share the video. Thank you.